Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore analytics dashboards with Google Analytics for Firebase, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your analytics dashboards in Google Analytics for Firebase, begin by opening your Firebase. Navigate to the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. Sign in with your Google account associated with the Firebase project. On the left sidebar, click on Analytics to access the Analytics section. Select Dashboard from the options presented. If your dashboard is missing or reset, look for the option to restore. Click on Restore and review the information on the pop-up window. Ensure you understand the implications of restoring your dashboard. If you are ready to proceed, confirm the restoration by clicking on the Restore Dashboard button. Wait for the system to process your request, which may take a few moments. Once completed, you should see your restored analytics dashboard. Verify that all the data is displayed correctly and that no information is missing. Familiarize yourself with any changes that might have occurred during the restoration process. You can now customize your restored dashboard further, if needed. Explore additional options to enhance your analytics tracking in Firebase. Remember to regularly back up your dashboard settings to avoid future disruptions. Keep your analytics insights organized and easily accessible for better decision-making. Review the updated dashboard periodically to ensure it aligns with your tracking goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.